Not very far from the Arabian Sea, port cities Avari Towers was the venue where Karachiite gastronomes converged. Occasion was Italian food festival organized by the diplomatic mission here. Chefs and Moile Cristale satiated their taste buds by means of exotic cuisines. Talking to News Pakistan TV, he said,
Hi, my name is Samuele Cristale. I'm from Milano and I'm here in Karachi today for the 6th edition of the Italian Food Festival. So I'm going to present today two dishes. One it is the pisarei and faso, and the other it is the semifreddo with fondant and jelly raspberry.
Gold medalist Italian cheese expert Antonio Fractiola held.
Welcome, nice to meet you. My name is Antonio Fracchiola. I am the expert cheese in Italy, and today in the Pakistan we all together the testing the many type of the cheese, and we are 8 different type: the goat cheese, the sheep cheese, the buffalo cheese, and we have 3 type of the caciocavallo, 6 months age in the cave, 12 age in the cave, 8 months age in the cave, and in the finish we have the blue cheese of buffalo.
Consul General Danilo Giordanella stated,
Welcome to the 6th edition of the Italian Cuisine Week. So this week we have many treats from you, starting from today's event, which is a meeting with Pakistani Horeca sector and Italian expert. We have an Italian chef from Italy, and we also brought a golden medal cheesemaker and cheese expert from Italy. This year theme of the Italian Cuisine Week is sustainability. Sustainability is about giving equal weight to the needs of the industry, but also to social issues and to the opportunities for the future generation. So we must make so that agriculture and food processing are fully sustainable, and I think this is also an important field for cooperation between Italian and Pakistani business, and we hope that more is done in this very important sector for both countries. Thank you.